As men, once we get past our mid-30s, something shifts. Energy levels start to dip, recovery takes longer, and for many, libido and sexual performance don't feel as effortless as they once did. This is a natural part of aging, but it doesn't mean we have to sit back and accept it. There are supplements that may help us keep our edge, and two of the most talked about are DHEA and L-Arginine. DHEA, short for dehydroepiandroster, is a hormone our body naturally produces in the adrenal glands. It's a building block for both testosterone and estrogen, and it peaks in our 20s before gradually declining as we age. By the time we reach our late 30s or early 40s, many men are running on far less DHEA than before. This decline is linked to reduced muscle mass, lower bone density, slower recovery from workouts, dips in mood, and of course changes in sexual health and libido. Supplementing with DHEA can sometimes help restore that balance. Many men report benefits like more energy, improved body composition, sharper mental focus, and a noticeable boost in their sex drive. It isn't a miracle pill, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle and consistent training, it can make a real difference. Now let's add L-Arginine into the conversation. L-Arginine is an amino acid that supports the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is responsible for widening blood vessels and improving circulation. Better blood flow means better cardiovascular performance overall. And yes, it also means stronger and more reliable erections. That's why L-Arginine has long been discussed in the context of male sexual health. When you pair DHEA with L-Arginine, you're tackling performance from two sides: hormonal balance and vascular support. One helps restore the raw hormonal building blocks, while the other ensures blood flow is strong and responsive. Together, this combination can be a powerful ally for men who want to feel more youthful, confident, and capable both in and out of the bedroom. For everyday support, many men find that supplementing with DHEA in the range of 25 to 50 milligrams daily is a solid starting point. But here's something interesting from personal experience. When it comes to sexual activity specifically, taking around 100 milligrams of DHEA along with about 3,000 milligrams of L-Arginine before intimacy seems to deliver a noticeable boost in performance. This isn't a clinical guideline, it's anecdotal evidence, but it's worth mentioning because the difference can be significant. Of course, supplements are only part of the picture. If you're serious about making changes, you'll want to focus on strength training, quality sleep, and managing stress. All of these directly impact your hormone levels and your sexual health. But for men who feel like they've lost a step since their 30s, DHEA and L-Arginine can be valuable tools to help turn things around. That said, it's important to approach this responsibly. DHEA is a hormone precursor, and using it without medical supervision can carry risks. Too much may throw off your balance, leading to side effects like acne, mood swings, or unwanted hormonal shifts. L-Arginine, while generally safe, can cause digestive discomfort or interact with blood pressure medications. Here's the bottom line. If you're over 35 and you've noticed that spark fading, consider exploring DHEA and L-Arginine as part of your routine. For many men, this combination has meant greater vitality, renewed confidence, and better sexual performance. But always get your hormone levels checked. Start with smaller doses, and talk to a healthcare professional to make sure it's right for you. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not provide medical advice. I'm not a doctor. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially hormone-related ones. What works for one person may not work for another, and safety should always come first. If you're ready to age with strength, confidence, and vitality, this is one approach you may want to explore further.